everyone, I'm Lynette and this is Charm Grammy Crochet. This will be Charm Chatter number, I wrote it down, 249. And today is Tuesday, the 26th. And that means today is Tuesday Treats Day. So it's a good time to be here. If you are unfamiliar with my channel, if you're new, hey, thanks for joining me. On Tuesdays, I do a small giveaway every week for my subscribers. Last week, the treat that we are giving away is 3 skeins or ball donuts of this KC Element yarn. It's 90% cotton and 10% acrylic, 102 yards per skein. And I have 3 skeins in this color, which I think is really a pretty color. I don't know what color it is. Coral? Orange, maybe? Let's see if I can find the color name on here real fast. It's a 4-weight. And the color is pink. Oh, it's pink. Really looks more coral or orange to me, but that's okay. And so every week on Tuesdays, I draw a name. And you have 1 week by the next Tuesday to get back to me when I draw the next name for the next Tuesday treats. And usually I do a little bit of chatter and I do the drawing and I show you the nut yarn for this week, and then we show who the winner is for last week's yarn. So the yarn that I'll be giving away today, I will be drawing for next. I didn't look at what the date will be. Next Tuesday. I will have it in the description box. I think it's going to be like around the 3rd or something of November, 2nd or 3rd of November, whatever that Tuesday is. I do have a 3K giveaway going on right now. I will link that in the description box as well. If you have not been there, you should go there. It's a pretty awesome giveaway, and I'm drawing that one on the 1st, which I think is Monday. I'm pretty sure. The 1st, whatever day that is, and then this will be drawn on the 1st Tuesday of November, whatever date that is, for today's giveaway. I don't have a lot of chatter because yesterday I put up a video, and I was joining my squares and showing you what I've been up to. And Miss Madonna, thank you so much for the information about using the wrong size hook. I shouldn't go with the smaller hook on my join. And I laid it out, and it's not too bad, but when I laid it out to see if, Madonna had told me that if I use a smaller hook for my join, my squares aren't going to lay flat. Well, they're not all exactly the same size anyway, so I wasn't real concerned about that. But I did lay it out today on the floor just to give it a check out, and I put some of the squares in the wrong way. Like, they should all be facing the same direction. I mean, they're not like upside down, backwards where the wrong side is showing, not like that. But I put a couple of them in. They're a little bit more rectangular than actually square. And a couple of them I put in sideways. I thought I was doing so good about getting them all the right direction, but as it got bigger, I think I got myself turned around. So anyway, I'm going to frog it and start over. It didn't take that long to put it together, and I do want it put together right. And I'm like, boy, some of these squares are a lot more off than I thought they were. Yeah, because you turned them sideways, silly. So that wasn't so bright. But anyway, today's video is going to be really short because I don't really have anything new to talk about that I'm making. But I will show you the yarn that is for the giveaway today. And if you are an existing subscriber, then you know all the rules because you've been here time and time again. But I'll go over it with you really quick. These are videos for giveaways for my subscribers. So first and foremost, you must be subscribed. Secondly, there will be a word that you're going to need to include in your comment. In order to win, I do filter by duplicate users and a specific word. You're reliable for any taxes and yada yada yadas, government stuff, legal mumbo jumbo. When you put that word in your comment, you are responsible for whatever any government agency or people or whatever say that you need to do. You're saying you'll do that. This giveaway is sponsored only by me and my channel. YouTube or anyone else has nothing to do with any of my giveaways. I think that pretty much, covers the majority of it. I will ship worldwide. This is a little bit bulkier yarn. If it's really expensive, you'll just get a gift card. It's kind of crazy when the cost of shipping is 2 or 3 times the cost of the yarn. So this is what I have this week. This is Dreamweaver yarn. It's yarn that I used to be able to get at a like a closeout kind of store. It's a grocery store that has a closeout department. And I bought this yarn a while ago. I'm going to say it's a 6-weight bulky. I don't know how many yards are in here because the labels do not... Oh, it does tell me. Each skein is 5.29 ounces. It's 100% acrylic. It's 45 yards. Machine wash warm, gentle cycle. Tumble dry on low. Do not over dry. This yarn was sold in twin packs. So I have 4 of the lavender, and they do have a sparkle in them. I don't know if you can catch it here and there. It's soft, and it's a big bulky. So I have two packs of 4 skeins of the purple lavender and 1 twin pack or 2 skeins of an off-white cream color. When I bought this, I made a hooded unicorn scarf for my youngest granddaughter, and I made it in the cream color. I had 6 of them, and I only used 4. And then I made the fringe on the unicorn in the lavender. And so I had this much also left over of the skein, and I'll just throw that in because what else am I going to do with it? I kept them together in case I decided to make something else. If you don't have a little girl to make a hooded scarf with, it really would make a nice just scarf or shawl. Actually, it would be probably a really good cowl and hat set out of this yarn. It's very scarfable. It's soft. You don't feel the metallic in it at all. And I've been holding on to it to maybe make a scarf for myself. But I've been holding on to it for like 3 years. And I said, if you haven't made that scarf, it'll be a fast make, whatever you make out of it, because it's a big, thick, bulky yarn, as you can see. So big hook, big stitches. I can see something very beautiful out of it. But I have used what I was going to use out of it, and apparently I'm not going to use it anymore. So I'm going to give it to someone who hopefully can. I hope you don't feel like I'm giving you like leftovers. It's just, if I was going to make something, I would have saved this to go with, to add in case you need extra. So I may as well give it to you versus throw it in my scrap bin. So this is what you win this week. Are these 6 plus a little skeins of this Dreamweaver bulky, I'm going to say it's a bulky 6 yarn. I think it's a very nice giveaway. I hope that you like it. And the word for this week in the description box or in your comment is going to be green because that's my Madonna's favorite color. And since she inadvertently made me look at my blanket in a whole different light, we're going to use her favorite color as the word. So the word is green. I did do the random comment picker for this week's winner, and the winner is Valerie Magruder. Now Valerie, there is the video at the end will be put in of me actually doing the random comment picking. And Valerie, I need you to go into the comment that you made on video number 246 and type in the word tape. That, like, at the end of your comment, just type in the word tape. You are the only one that can change the comment that was originally made, so nobody can hack and try to get your yarn. I have had that done before, so I don't want that to happen again, and this is why I do that with the change the comment. Once you've changed your comment in video 246, email me at charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com. Let me know that you have indeed made that change, or put that addition of the word tape in your comment, and then include your mailing address, and I will get these skeins of yarn out to you ASAP. Congratulations for winning. Good luck to everyone for this week's giveaway. I told you this was going to be a short one. It really and truly is. So have a great rest of your day. I will see you at least next Tuesday, but probably before. I did do a tutorial for the cozies, and I will link that as well. I've had several people comment that they've made them, and it's a really quick make, and that they're enjoying them very much. So that's good news. So I will link the 3000K giveaway. If you haven't watched the video, it's really a good giveaway, and the bowl cozy video in this. And like I said, I will see you next week, or before. Hopefully before. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, so I have put in the URL and filtered duplicate users based on the word yoga, and we have 124 comments. Oops, there we go. Hit that again by mistake. Now let's start the picker and see who is the winner. This week's winner is Valerie Magruder, and she says, I have never done yoga. I have always liked doing weights. Oh, good for you, lady. I have never really liked doing that. Or yoga for that matter. I'll be stuck and can't get up. So, Valerie, you will need to email me at charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com. I would like you to put the word tape, TAPE, into the comment that you made, this particular comment on video number 246. And then when you email me, tell me that you've done that and give me your address, and I will get the yarn out to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much. Everyone have a great day, and congratulate Valerie on the win.